Hello. Welcome to another health and fitness video. We at the Health and Wellness team are looking to bring you useful and practical information to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Today, we want to share with you a very important topic: how to lose weight easily and effectively in just 10 minutes a day. If you are looking for a way to reach your ideal weight and be healthier, you are in the right place. In this video you will learn little-known secrets that will revolutionize the way you think about dieting and exercise for weight loss. It doesn't matter if you have tried many things and didn't get any results. In this video, you will learn effective techniques that really work and that in just 10 minutes a day will bring you a great result. Many people believe that to lose weight you need to spend hours in the gym or follow restrictive diets that are difficult to stick to. However, this is not true. It is possible to lose weight and improve your health without spending much time or effort. And you will find out how. We will share with you some tips and exercises that can be done at home, without the need for expensive equipment or much space. They are simple, but extremely effective exercises that will help you lose weight in a healthy and lasting way, and only 10 minutes a day. When it comes to losing weight easily and effectively, it's not only the physical exercises that matter, but also how they are performed. Remember to maintain correct posture during all exercises. Keep your back straight, your shoulders back, and avoid leaning your head forward. This not only helps prevent injury, but also helps maximize the effectiveness of the exercises. So sit comfortably and get ready to transform your life by gaining more health and well-being. Let's go. Now we'll show you some exercises that you can do at home in just 10 minutes a day to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Include short-term activities in your daily routine. The first tip is to include short-term activities in your daily routine. This can be a brisk walk, stretching, or even a series of home exercises. The important thing is to do something every day. These short moments of physical activity can help burn calories and keep the body active. Body weight training. We will start with some body weight training exercises. These exercises use only your body weight as resistance, which means you can do them anywhere without the need for equipment. Some examples include squats, push-ups, planks, burpees, and lunges. Each of these exercises works different muscle groups and helps burn calories and increase metabolism. Cardio training. Next, we will introduce some cardio exercises that you can do at home to help you lose weight. These exercises include jumping jacks, running in place, aerobic dancing, and stairs. Cardio is important for weight loss because it helps burn calories and increase metabolism. In addition, it also improves cardiovascular health and increases endurance. Strength training. Finally, we will show you some strength exercises that you can do at home to help tone and strengthen your body. These exercises include weightlifting, weighted squats, leg extensions, and shoulder push-ups. Strength training is important for weight loss because it helps increase muscle mass, which increases metabolism and helps you burn more calories, even at rest. Don't forget to sleep well every night for the best results. A good rest helps muscle repair. Besides exercising, it is important to pay attention to what you put on your plate. Fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins are important foods for weight loss. Fruits and vegetables are rich in nutrients and low in calories. In addition, they help fill your stomach and keep you satisfied for longer. Adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet can be a great way to increase your intake of nutrients and reduce your intake of less healthy foods. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, lean red meat, and beans, help build muscle and keep it strong. Also, protein is harder to digest than carbohydrates and fats, which means you will feel more satisfied for longer after a protein-rich meal. Adding more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to your diet can be easy and fun. Try experimenting with new foods and flavor combinations. Also, Prepare healthy meals beforehand so that you can pick them up when you are busy. Drink more water. Another important tip for weight loss is to drink more water. Water helps keep the body hydrated and can help control appetite. Instead of drinking soda or sugary juices, opt for water. Also, try to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. This may seem like a lot, but it can be achieved throughout the day. Keep a bottle of water nearby and drink it throughout the day. In summary, there are many exercises you can do at home to help you lose weight in an easy way. But remember, just 10 minutes in one day is not enough. Keep constancy and you will see the long-awaited result. Define your goals. Determine why you are exercising and what you hope to achieve. This will help you stay motivated and focused. Plan your routine. Determine a specific time to exercise every day and include it in your routine. It is important to find a schedule that is convenient and easy to stick to. Find an activity you enjoy. Choose an activity that you really enjoy and have fun with. This will increase your motivation and make it easier to stay committed. Adopt the right mindset. Keep a positive mindset and see your workout as a healthy habit and an opportunity to take care of yourself. Don't feel obligated to do something you don't enjoy, but see it as a gift you are giving yourself. Find a workout partner. Having someone to exercise with can be motivating and help keep you on track. Plus, it's more fun and helps you pass the time more quickly. Vary your activities. Don't limit yourself to a single type of exercise. Variation is important to avoid boredom and to work different muscle groups. Keep a balance. Don't try to do too much at once. Start with a number of exercises that you can easily perform, and gradually increase over time. Be patient and persistent. Remember that change doesn't happen overnight. Maintain persistence and be patient with the process. Remember that consistency is the key to success. Record your progression. Keep a record of your progression, including how long you exercise, how many repetitions of each exercise you do, and how many calories you burn. This will help you see your progress and stay motivated. Don't waste any more time. Start changing your habits and attitudes right now. Leave your questions and expectations in the comments so we can help you achieve your weight loss goals easily and effectively. Don't forget to leave your like to help us spread these important tips to more people. So click like. Together we can inspire and motivate more people to take care of their health and reach their goals. See you in the next video.